Okay, going to do a quick video on this Overfinch third row seats in my L322 because there's not much about them on YouTube, so I thought I would address that. Quick bit about the car. This is a 2010 4.4 TDV8 I bought recently from just outside London. It was going to be a ULEZ victim, so I saved it. Now I particularly wanted one with the cream leather and an actual colour, not black. And this was in nice condition, so this was the one for me. So yeah, these seats, I didn't really need them. Let me just take this out, otherwise they don't come out properly. I didn't really need them, but I kind of knew they existed, and they were on eBay for a lot more money than I was willing to pay, but I thought they looked like the right colour, and amazingly they're exactly the right colour with exactly the right piping. So yeah, I bought them. So a bit on how these fit. So you're probably familiar with the split fold rear tailgate on L322. So these come with these brackets that mount into the rear seat mounts. So that's how that works. So I've not yet put any seat belts in to go with these, but that's pretty nifty bit of engineering there. Keeps them in place. So you don't have to have them both up, but you pull on these tags and it comes out like that, and you can obviously move that either way. And you can see the effect looks the part. So yeah, pretty good. And obviously reverse is the opposite. So you mount the seat belts, so you've got to do some drilling in this post here, which I'm not so excited about, but at some point I might do it. There we go.